Planning to start a construction business in Singapore? With steady development across commercial, residential, and infrastructure projects, the construction sector offers strong opportunities, and 3E Accounting Singapore is here to guide you through every step. Begin by registering a private limited company with ACRA. This structure is essential for credibility, securing contracts, and meeting government requirements. 3E Accounting Singapore ensures a smooth, compliant incorporation process. To operate legally, construction firms need registration with the Building and Construction Authority. Depending on your services, you may require specific workhead classifications or trade licenses. Our team helps you navigate all regulatory requirements efficiently. Construction businesses must follow strict workplace safety and manpower regulations. From work permit applications to safety certifications, we help ensure your operations meet Singapore's high compliance standards. Ready to build your construction business with confidence? Let 3E Accounting Singapore support your journey from incorporation to long-term success.